It's Friday, everybody, and that means it's music time. Hey Mickie, why are you in a super creepy corridor with flickering lights behind you? I'm glad you ask. Anyways, today we are making a music sketch like this. For this. The art is made by Stefan Keudel, who makes some really scary art and masks. He's really talented and you should check him out. And let's make some music. But first, let's analyze a bit. This is scary. And we know it's scary because a bunch of creepy looking people are floating. So, random idea I just thought of right now. What if we made my voice into a horror choir and would be like the theme of the floaty people? Like almost all the floaty people are choiring together, singing together, something. But Mickie, how do you do that? And I'm glad you asked. We start by recording a bunch of singing in pitches close to each other to create some dissonance. And say it with me. Dissonance equals scary, most of the time, and harmony means not scary, most of the time. Now you put all the voices together, you find an order you like, you mix them a bit, you add some reverb, and boom! That's some scary stuff, man. So now we got the main part down, we need something to back it up. I recorded some sliding notes on my guitar and layered them, creating this creepy layer. I used this for two things. The first thing I did was I ran the sliding notes through gong amp, which essentially makes it like a cymbal type drone. And then I layered that with the choir.
Nice.
Then I automated the volume of the sliding notes to come in and out through the track to give this eerie texture. Now the backbone of this track comes from the plugin called Aura, and I played it with my roller keyboard. With Aura I made this string-like drone, and there's not a lot to say about it because it just sounds really good. It's mostly the plugin doing all of the work here. Just listen to that. That's good. I also made this lead with Aura, and this time I added the plugin called Mickie. It's free and it's really cool. Go check it out. I used it to add this bit crusher effect at the end of every note, and then it also gives this texture. Then I added this bass. Which is made with Monarch in Reactor, and then I added a little bit of Mickie on it to give it a little bit of texture. The last thing I added was these impacts before the choir comes on, and they're just made with slowed down basketball dribbles. Before I show you the final music, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, because I'm desperate. And furthermore, if you have any questions or any suggestions on how to improve my channel and this series or anything, you can ask me in the comment section or write to me. I really appreciate it. Now back to the music. If you put it all together, you got this.